Breakthrough technology is driving global changes in communications, in medicine, in aerospace, in consumer electronics, and in transportation. And the pace of finding the next great breakthrough is accelerating. Smaller and smaller parts have to be assembled in an increasingly more miniature package at lightning speed to support these generational changes. A trusted partner to the creators of tomorrow's electronics, MRSI provides fully automated die bonding and dispensing systems for microelectronics and optoelectronics packages with world-leading flexibility, speed, accuracy, and reliability. Our people are our prized asset, both in the factory and in the field, working with our customers on our common goal to create purposeful innovation. Backed by a culture of knowledge sharing and support, MRSI's experienced engineers design elegant systems by understanding the customer's process and the business requirements, and have been doing so for over 40 years. And to ensure continued success, we deliver 24/7 support through our global field service team. MRSI is backed by Mycronic Group's power of innovation, proven by more than 400 patents, with more than 2,200 employees in 12 countries, with more than 35,000 installed production systems at more than 4,600 customers. We're working together to extend the frontiers of electronics technology, ready to find the next great solution, the next great breakthrough, bringing tomorrow's electronics to life.